Surgeons in the United States can make an incision over your knee and reconnect a broken kneecap using metal wires, screws, or plates. This procedure, called patella fracture repair, is commonly performed in the United States when the kneecap breaks from a fall, direct impact, or trauma. A fractured patella causes severe pain, swelling, and difficulty moving the knee. During the surgery, the surgeon makes an incision to expose the broken bone, realigns the pieces, and secures them with screws, wires, and plates to hold everything stable while it heals. Once the repair is complete, the incision is closed, and the knee is protected with a brace. In the United States, physical therapy is usually recommended to restore strength and full range of motion. Patella fracture repair helps restore knee function, reduce pain, and allows the bone to heal properly. A proven solution right here in the United States.